This is your energy flow in ecosystems quiz. You are allowed to use your notebook. You may take the quiz 2 times. Multiple choice is how you'll get the answers. Please choose the best answer. You'll need to put your last name here. First name here. Science section, you're either in 2nd hour, 3rd hour, 5th hour, 6th hour, or you are virtual. An organism that can make their own food, usually a plant. Is it producer, consumer, decomposer? An organism that obtains energy by feeding on other organisms. Is it a producer, consumer, decomposer? An organism that breaks down larger chemicals from dead organisms and returns them to the soil, air, or water. Is it a producer, consumer, or decomposer? An organism that eats only plants. Is it herbivore, carnivore, omnivore? An organism that eats both plants and animals. Is it herbivore, carnivore, omnivore? An animal that eats only other animals and insects. Is it herbivore, carnivore, omnivore? A consumer that feeds on the bodies of dead organisms. Is it herbivore, scavenger, carnivore? A linear network of links in a food web. Is it food web, energy pyramid, or food chain? The many overlapping food chains in an ecosystem. Food web, energy pyramid, food chain. Organisms that get their energy directly from plants, usually herbivores. Are they primary consumers, secondary consumers, or tertiary consumers? A carnivore, sometimes omnivore, at the topmost level in a food chain that feeds on other carnivores or secondary consumers is a primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. Organisms that get energy from eating primary consumers, carnivores or omnivores, are they a primary consumer, secondary consumer, or tertiary consumer? A diagram that shows the amount of energy that moves from one feeding level to another in a food web is a food web, food chain, energy pyramid. Where is the most energy located in an energy pyramid? At the bottom producer level, at the top consumer level, or at the decomposer level? Click the submit button and you're done.